Today's inconvenient truth from your girl Key. One of the reasons you aren't in the relationship, the intimate relationship that you seek, that is healthy and wholesome, where you find a companion, someone who you can build and grow with, is often, not always, but if this is for you, do give your girl a like, is because we give our energy and time to the people who won't give us what we want. Why do we do this? There's a long explanation, but trust me, one of the reasons why we are not in the situations or the relationships that we want to be in is because we still give our time and energy to the things that we don't want. And as long as we give our time and our energy to the things that we don't want, we are only going to get more of what we don't want, because often those people don't commit. They're often the non-committal types. Therefore, if your decree is that you want to be in a healthy, wholesome relationship, then maybe we need to start to focus our attention on the individuals who can fulfill those needs. However, the situation often is we may have a discrimination towards those guys. Ladies, if you like a challenge, if you like someone who's exciting, then you're highly likely to call the person who would want to commit to you names. Names like boring, he's a little bit dry, or he's a bit backwards at coming forwards. And therefore, that is the crux of the issue. We reject what actually we want, and we accept, indulge, and give energy to what we don't want. So we need to be very clear about anomalies between our behavior and what we say we want. Check our own behavior, because sometimes we are actually making the situation difficult for ourselves when we entertain the bozo. That's today's inconvenient truth. If you have a heart dilemma, please inbox me and I'll be only too happy to make a video for you. Do take care of you, because if you don't,